Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to put pictures side by side in Canva. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, go ahead and open your existing Canva design. Once your design is loaded, direct your attention to the left side panel of your screen. Here you'll want to click on Elements. This section gives you access to all the visual components you can add to your design, including shapes, lines, stickers, and importantly for this tutorial, grids that help you organize multiple images neatly. After clicking Elements, you'll see a search bar at the top of the panel. Click on it and type Grid. This will bring up various grid layouts that Canva offers. Grids are incredibly useful because they automatically organize your images with equal spacing and alignment, saving you the hassle of manually resizing and positioning each picture. From the results that appear, select a two-column grid with two equal sections. This specific grid layout is perfect for placing two pictures side by side with a clean, professional look. Now that your grid is placed on the canvas, it's time to add your pictures. Navigate back to the left side panel and click on Uploads. This is where you can access any images you've previously uploaded or add new ones. Click Upload Files and select the two pictures you want to use from your computer. Give Canva a moment to upload these files. Once they appear in your Uploads section, you're ready to place them into your grid. Here's where it gets simple. Drag the first picture from your uploads and drop it into the left section of the grid. The grid will automatically fit the image to fill that space. Next, drag the second picture and drop it into the right section of the grid. Just like that, your two pictures are now positioned side by side with perfect alignment. If you want to adjust how either picture sits within its section, double-click on that picture. This allows you to reposition the image inside the grid, zoom in or out, or center it exactly how you want. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, click outside the grid to finalize your layout. Now it's time to save your work. Click Share in the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, click Download. You'll then see a menu where you can select your preferred file type such as PNG or JPG. PNG is great for high-quality images with transparent backgrounds, while JPG works well for standard photos. After selecting your file type, click Download to save the finished design to your computer. And that's it! You've successfully placed two pictures side by side in Canva using a simple grid layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.